Good morning, bird brains. We are here in Denton, Texas, here at Moos Craft, and today we're going to be doing a little bit of welding. Let's get into it. So in case you have no idea what Moos Craft did, this is the shop of Chris Moos, guy who built this bike. And today he's going to be teaching myself, my wife, Roadblock, and Uncle Ken how to TIG weld. What? Well, that was terrifying. Did you see that?
What happened, man?
He didn't slow down.
You moved. You should just get out of the way.
Damn, I should have just stayed there. Earned my money the old-fashioned way. Getting run over by a Titan. Brought my apron and everything.
He's ready to start doing some barbecuing. He has to go build a smoker first.
Yeah. Alright, I'm ready. Can I stare at the sun? Ow. Yeah, doesn't darken. I feel like I'm ready for the zombie apocalypse. Like a staff.
Really bright zombies.
Yeah.
45 degrees,
Okay.
and you want to maintain that across the travel, okay?
Okay.
Just go ahead and put your hood down and strike an arc and get in the molten state and see what happens.
You actually want me to...
Yeah, you're going to need your foot on there, so put your foot on the pedal, and then just create molten state. Give me a flashlight right there. That's all I want to see. Get closer, a little bit closer. Now move with it.
I knew with your shit-eating grin there'd be something going on.
I heard it.
I thought I died.
Good job.
Damn, thank God I was wearing pants, son of a bitch.
I got that placement perfect.
That's why I put my camera down there like I did too.
So what happened?
So, from what I was told, I don't know this, but it's tradition to mess with someone on their first weld.
And that being this someone.
Does that also transfer to different types of welding?
Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, in Moos Craft shop, that's what
Alright.
happens to Justin. Period.
Yes.
So that's why.
Fireworks are real important in my
You're
shop.
like closer.
so
I'm like, I'm touching.
We always, and I didn't want them to actually weld. I just wanted them to create a little bit of arc. So it was just focused on this little flashlight effect, what's going on, and no real mechanical like, oh, and then stopping because I needed the sound of the weld to camouflage the fuse.
See, I heard the fuse, but I was like, I'm just watching it weld. I'm focused here.
Yeah.
You get
You're-
lost in the
We
camera.
were tuning it out. Oh yeah, so when we walked in the room a little while ago, I had him help me. I was like, here, I need you to do this.
And when you come out looking like that, I was like, well, something up.
Alright, now back to really welding.
What's your heart right now?
It's probably like 210 or 300, I don't know.
This is what I call a fault poke weld. Stop. You'll never weld that nice this year.
Yeah, I'm pretty proud of that one. That one makes up for the other shit. Poor Alicia.
Your hand's getting hot. No, stop. Your glove was smoking. You don't feel it yet, but you are about to feel it like a motherfucker. You gotta put a lot more filler in. More. Get off the wall, get on the floor. Slow your rhythm down and put a lot more filler in, like twice as much. Push it in there. Push it in. Feel it?
Yeah.
Okay, there you go. Now you see how you can get it?
Yeah.
Now you gotta get out faster. Turn your hand.
No, I just felt like I was getting too close.
You were.
Hey guys, warping ahead a lot a bit. My camera died right before we left the shop, so I wasn't able to do any sort of outro before getting to IMS. But huge shout out to Chris Moos of Mooscraft. If you guys want to go ahead and book your own little welding lesson, I'll go ahead and leave all his details down in the description. He does like group activities. He's got a couple different things that you can choose from, so you can go and take your own TIG welding class if that's something that you're interested in. As far as my TIG welder goes, it's unfortunately still just back there. I'm supposed to be having an electrician come out hopefully within the next couple of days to run, he's actually running 2 outlets. Sorry, I'm gonna have to shoot through the screen, but he's gonna be putting one right there just underneath the Bike and Bird logo for the fab table there. And we're also gonna be running one all the way out here because my driveway is right behind this door. That way, if I ever wanna do anything like welding on my truck or anything, I'll have the ability to move the welder out here and weld on the truck. All of us had a great time. We all had a blast. Chris is a great instructor. He is funny and interactive, and he makes sure that you know why you're messing up when you're messing up. It was a lot easier to kind of get into the rhythm, and he said the same thing multiple different ways because people take things a different way. For me, one thing he said was stop being so fluid, be more like a robot. And then right after that, I did this weld here, which I gotta say I'm very proud of. It was my second joint weld, so my second joint TIG weld, I should say. But very happy with it, and I'm just so excited to get our own welder hooked up and get playing around here in the garage. Other than that, guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, go hit that like button. If you haven't already, go ahead and punch that subscribe button. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.